So from here, unplug the biggest plug over here. That's the biggest plug, main power plug. And check this plug. This plug is empty, that's good. And some of the car got this plug, just unplug it, make it empty, will be fine. Alright, now we bring out the CrownFocus kit. Here is the main power wire harness. Put the biggest plug, original plug, into the port from wire harness. And put the wire harness onto the head unit. Okay, next step, going to put the VTR plug onto the empty port over here. Alright. Then pull out the screw unit. Okay, and wiring the main power plug on the box behind the trim panel. Okay, and here's a USB port, wiring it just under here. Make it going outside from here. And then I take out the video cable and the main CrownFocus module. Put the module outside. Alright, so one side, the male port, unplug the factory blue plug and put the CrownFocus one into the unit, and then put the factory male plug onto the female port of the CrownFocus wiring harness. Yes. Okay, so next step is put this side into the box, into the main module, and the main power plug onto the main module as well, going to power AV USB. Okay, so basically job is done. Now we just need to put it back and running the test.